nice, Ericina. You're grounded for life.
For your punishment, we are going to beat you up for being a rip-off of me and being a nice clone of me.
Ow, 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 ow. It hurts. Wah, 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 wah.
Now, Bobby is here to turn you into a cat.
Abracadabra.
Oh no. I'm a cat. Please change me back right now.
In your dreams, stupid.
What's going on?
Your daughter, nice Ericina, was being a jerk to your biological daughter, Ericina.
Oh my god. Nice Ericina, how dare you be a jerk to my biological daughter Ericina? That's it, you're grounded for life. Now go outside and sleep until you die, you bad kitty.
Good. I don't have to deal with that bitch for looking like me.
Yep. Ericina, you are ungrounded. You can do whatever you want. Bobby, good job turning my rip-off daughter into a cat. You're ungrounded, do whatever you want.
Thanks to Alice and Amy.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. Trevor, good job grounding nice Ericina along with Ericina and Bobby. You're now ungrounded.
You can do whatever you want.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, you're the best.